Hey guys, welcome to M&M Plants. In today's video, I'll be sharing one of the most important thing that we should be doing when spring starts, wherever you are living, whichever country, based on the season in that country. Whenever spring starts, most important thing to do is give a lot of fertilizer to your plants so that they can bloom, give fruits, veggies, whatever the plant is based on the plant. So let us see what is the easiest way of adding fertilizer to our plants in spring so that they're very happy, healthy, and they give us flowers and fruits. These are my African marigolds, which I love having in my garden in spring so that I get a lot of blooms. My most favorite fertilizer is blood and bone meal fertilizer. I'll just put it on all the sides everywhere so that all the plants get it. And then using something like this, I'll just mix it so that when I water this plant, the fertilizer, the blood and bone meal powder can mix easily in the soil, gently, so that I don't damage the plant. And it's all done. Easy. Now if you have a look at my veggie garden bed, I have some spinach growing here. I have coriander over here, tomato, baby spinach, and these are corn, sweet corn plants, strawberry. So like a veggie garden bed. So let me just add bone meal powder in this as well and show it to you. So in the similar way, I'll just sprinkle it everywhere. Not too much, but yes, enough so that these plants, they get good amount of calcium. And now I'll gently mix it. So when it's spring and a little warm summers, it's good to feed your veggies, your flowers, flowering plants with blood and bone meal powder. And I would do this at least once in a month, so that my plants, they are healthy, they get that energy to fruit, to bloom. And apart from blood and bone meal powder, I don't give anything else. Sometimes I might give a little bit of cow manure. I might mix it in the soil when I plant my plant. But apart from that, I don't give flowering plants and veggies any other fertilizer because this is more than enough. My petunias have started blooming, so I'll just put it everywhere because they bloom heavily, and if I give them good amount of fertilizer, they will bloom a lot. Now this is my Canal Lily. Not very happy, but it is spring now. The plant will give new leaves and will have flowers very soon, red and yellow flowers. So if you have a look here, there are new leaves coming. It's because it's spring, so it's the best time to give it some bone meal powder. If you've liked the video, please consider subscribing the channel, hitting the like button, and also if you're struggling with anything in gardening, do put that in the comment section below so that I can make videos on those topics as well. Happy gardening. Bye for now.